वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह
took me
Okay, Komal, we are here again to talk something.
Where are we?
In the midst of this downtown Vancouver.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I ask you that how you used to feel, like, because it's entirely a different place, and have you ever felt yourself that, oh, I'm so alone at this place?
Well, when I came, at first I did feel like it's a new place, right? It's not just not just a state that we are moving; it's a whole country. We are like coming miles away. So yeah, because family was here, I was doing better. But still, family or nobody can be with you 24/7, right? So okay, I'm seeing. But you know what? When I used to start my day. If I didn't do my job or I don't listen to the kirtan thing, then it's very difficult for me to be normal or be happy. But when I listen to kirtan, like my morning schedule, when I do that, I don't feel alone. I don't feel, oh, I'm lost or I'm not confident or any such thing. I feel like everything is perfect.
Yeah.
So this thing is helping me, like नाम जप और कीर्तन when I like morning में मेरा energy rise हो जाता है. I don't need anyone else. I don't need friends. I don't need family. That's some power that's given, and that's there so that I have the energy to spread more love and positivity. So yeah, this thing is helping me. Early morning routine.
Yeah, that really helps.
Yeah.
Like even Guru Sahib Ji says that Adant Prab Sada Sahai, and there are many shabads in Gurbani, in Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and Gur Mere Sang Sada Hai Nale, Simar Simar Ke Sada Samale. So that's what, like, I think that if we keep listening, we keep listening to the kirtan or any shabad we keep reciting, which gives us strength. And there are many shabads like so Sadguru Pyara Mere Naal Hai. So if we keep reciting those shabads while moving in this place, so we always feel that yes, Guru Sahib Ji is always
Yeah, you
with
don't
us.
feel alone. Yeah.
And yes, that's what even my journey has been like. It's like I always play kirtan. I try to, and we all should do that. I think if even if we have friends, even if we have a lot of relatives, even if we have family, or so I think that once we have that take of Gurbani, like the Sahara of Gurbani, or we are attached to Gurbani, or we try to, like we try to listen that, okay, at least one shabad or something, or just like Chaupai Sahib Path, Chapji Sahib Path. I think it helps a lot, like because kirtan has a lot of energy.
Yes,
Path has a lot of energy.
yeah.
And sometimes I think that even Katha, if we keep listening, so we always think that someone is talking to us continuously about God, and we don't even feel that no one is around us. No, it's like we keep walking, and sometimes it happens that we are so lost that even if
it's
someone,
a different world.
if someone meets up also, so we think that no, I'll break that link of listening. So it's amazing. Like I think the teachings of
even like listening to kathas gives us learnings, right? If you are stuck in some situation or something in that, and when you listen to katha, you get a text from that as per your situation, what is the right thing that you should be doing. So that's also a learning. Like sometimes friends are not been able to help us, or family are not able to fix us. So that time these things can help us.
And even the timings are different. Like it's entirely day and night difference. So we cannot expect our family to be with us all time on the phone. Imagine that something happens around 2 p.m. or anything happens, and so if we start, we won't give a call and we won't wake them up at that time.
And nobody can be with you 24/7.
Exactly.
Like, there would be a time where we would have to be on
even friends have a limitation. Everyone has a limitation. Like everyone has a limitation of their lives. Maybe they are stuck with their job. Maybe they are stuck with their family. So I think we shouldn't be dependent on, especially even like just the phone. We should be having something, or like reciting something. We should be remembering something so that it helps.
Yeah, like you mean to say like we should know it by heart and not
Yes.
be dependent on the phone, so
Yeah.
that whenever you're stuck, even if you don't have the phone,
Yeah.
you know how to recite it and you'll be out of that
Yeah.
situation, right?
Yeah. And we are with our phones also.
Mhm.
So like it depends that what content we look at the phone.
Yeah.
We can use this phone for listening to Katha Kirtan and
Yeah.
lifting up our souls.
How do you listen to the katha, or how do you look for the verses of what app, or what do you use?
I use iGurbani
Okay.
for like understanding the Shabad, because
Okay.
sometimes it happens that we listen to a Shabad and
Mhm.
we should be clear about the wordings. So it's better that whatever we are listening, we should know word by word that what Guru Sahib Ji is actually saying. In
What
the
it
Shabad.
means, yeah.
Anything shouldn't be wrong, because
Right, yeah.
that's a respect also, that we should be reciting Gurbani in the perfect manner.
Right.
That we shouldn't be reciting any word wrong also. It should be correct.
Yeah.
So I think iGurbani helps, and then like there are many preachers
Mhm.
on who have their videos on YouTube. And we have live kirtan from Sachkhand Shir Mandir Sahib. So even
That helps too,
That
yeah,
helps.
yeah.
And a lot, yeah. We'll keep telling about that. But yes, Pai Kamaljeet Singh Ji, Hazuri Ragi, Pai Amarjeet Singh Ji, Patiale Wale,
Mhm.
then Pai Balpreet Singh Ji Noor, and there are a lot of like young kirtanis
Mhm.
here in Canada itself. Like I
Excuse
listen
me.
to Bibi Harkiran Kaur,
Oh.
Bibi Prab Simran Kaur a lot.
I've heard to their kirtans with
Yeah.
you, and I have enjoyed it thoroughly. I mean, listening to some
Yeah.
other language or some other culture's kirtan, but still been able to resonate to it. Oh, I love that kirtan.
Yeah, and there's
moves,
one.
yeah, it's so
before I
touching.
forget, Bibi Mandeep Kaur Khalsa. She's from UK and she's in UK Army there, and she has been great. Like you can say, supporter in my journey in an indirect manner, because I used to listen to
Yeah,
her
yeah.
kathas or lectures, and even kirtan she does. So she's I think she's an ideal, and she should be for many people,
Right.
because being in Sikh army,
Mhm.
she's a Sikh chaplain over there, not Sikh army.
Oh,
In
okay.
UK army, she's a Sikh chaplain, and what a personality she has, like amazing.
It's quite inspiring.
Yeah, and she was being awarded by Queen Elizabeth also last when
Ooh.
and it was
Wow.
amazing. Yeah, and she does kirtan. Her kirtan recordings I keep listening. Her lectures, her journey, and then whatever recordings, and lot more,
Yeah,
a
yeah,
lot
yeah.
more.
Yeah, of course,
and-
these things helps. This is the only thing that keeps us moving in a different place, right?
Yeah.
Like someone who is making videos, who is doing kirtans, or who is even in the spiritual journey doing their part, they have no clue that people are literally moving just
Yeah.
because of their kirtan, just because of their voice, just to
Yeah.
listening to them. That is the thing that's waking us up, that's putting us to sleep, and it's so helpful. I mean, yeah.
Gyani Pinder Pal Singh Ji,
Mhm.
Sant Singh Ji Miskin. Sant Singh Ji Miskin has been like what I say, the base
Mhm.
creator in my this journey, I think.
Mhm.
And I'll keep remembering whom I keep listening to. And
Yes,
I'll
of course.
keep-
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been amazing. It's been amazing. And Swami Premanand Ji, I listen. to
Yeah.
a lot. Yeah. I love him.
Yeah.
So, because he helps, like
He has answers
he
to all
just-
your questions.
Yes.
Yeah.
He'll give. A lot of people will ask him questions, and he'll
He
give
has.
on the point.
Yeah.
I think after listening to him, I have started doing my Nitnem a bit regularly, which I was very
Mhm.
irregular at. I shouldn't
Yeah, yeah,
be
yeah.
saying that. I shouldn't have done that, or maybe. But yes, after listening to Swami Premanand Ji keeps on saying Naam Japo, Naam Japo, Naam Japo.
Mhm.
And then I think I started doing Simran sometimes.
Mhm. And you also
really,
and
like,
you also started waking up like in the Amrit Wala time. when you were-
started. Yeah, I'm trying to.
Yeah.
Trying to. Yeah.
As I said, the only time that you are not able to make it, if that time is also in Kirtan, like you be in Gurudwaras late night
Yeah.
attending Kirtans. So I think that is also okay if you are late because of Kirtan and that's why you couldn't wake up. I think that's okay. But yeah, this is making a huge impact on your life.
I'm trying to. Maybe
Yeah.
let's see how does it.
Yeah.
Every
Maybe
day is
okay.
different. I
Yeah.
try my best.
Yeah.
Whenever I get time or whenever like you are there to wake me up, I know. You play a great role in my life always. It's Sat Sangat.
Yeah, Sat
And I
Sangat.
think in this country also, if we have Sat Sangat, so even this country, I don't feel
Even
like this
this
as a
is-
foreign country.
Yeah,
I think this is my home.
Yeah, and it is
And
also
I
a
have every
blessing that
right.
yeah.
I feel like wearing what I feel like, what
Yeah.
I used to wear back in
Right,
India, because
right.
this is my home now.
Yeah, yeah.
I have to live
You feel comfortable in however
the way
you
I
are.
live.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to live.
Totally.
So this is
And
what-
I think even the people that you are working with or the place you are
Yeah.
working or the friends that you have around, it is all blessing.
Yeah.
It's all just blessings,
Yeah.
right? It's okay.
We should have Komal also. in the
No,
picture.
it's okay. You look more prettier. So
No, 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 it's not like that. Okay, so we'll keep talking more.
yeah,
Yeah.
we'll discuss more about what would be next.
About remembering, because remembering Gurbani or remembering any sort of job,
Yeah.
it has a great significance.
Right. Yeah.
Practical significance, and we'll talk about it very shortly. That how does it work?
Yeah.
It's just that what I have heard from
Mhm.
Kathavachaks and what elder people tell us, and what Guru Sahib Ji,
Mhm.
Guru Sahib Ji gave us the hukam that you have to remember Gurbani, memorize Gurbani, and that has a great significance. So this is what we are going to discuss very soon, and
Yeah.
we'll try to bring more conversations. And it's just that we are just normal people, and what our aim is that through our normal conversations, we are able to
Pass
you know,
on a
we are
very-
just, we are
yeah,
just trying
yeah.
to even what we say brainstorm ourselves
yeah,
as well.
yeah.
That we should be able to think more about Gurbani, Naam Japna, and our practical lives, like
Mhm.
the way Komal follows it, that how in practical manner her
Yeah.
life has changed and how impactful
It is, yeah.
it is, like waking up.
Also, I think
And,
through a conversation, it's important that being from youth, like even like
Yeah.
when we go to a elder age, that time everyone does that, you know, remembering God. But in our days when we are busy with our lives, remembering God this time is even more beneficial, not just for us, but for our journey to, for our life to be better or
Maybe
just
our
be perfect.
old age will be a bit easier.
Yeah, we'll have to run from here. Oh God, let's go. Sorry, guys. I don't know. Where are we going? What? Are we supposed to go that side?
Yes, we can. Okay,
Okay.
let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa,
Bye, Guru Ji ki Fateh.